We are here, we are finally here. We are in the animation that has been on Instagram for the past few months. It's Oslo, it's X Games, it's August. The skaters are doing it, the FMX boys are doing it. We're about to start doing it tomorrow. It's very exciting, couldn't be more pumped to be here.
This is yours. I'm sleepy now. Are you sleepy?
I'm sleepy. Woodsy.
Yeah.
Would you believe that I'm filming you right now?
You filming me?
Yeah.
We're here in the reflection. Does it look good? Do I look good in the reflection?
You kind of look like a ghost.
Fria från allt han. Se också till att ni är försiktiga när ni öppnar bagagehylla.
I knew it. I was walking out and I was thinking, nah, I had something else, man.
Could you imagine if you took your boots out last minute and then
To keep them so they didn't get lost and then left them on the plane in Copenhagen? That would have been good. Don't forget your boots this time, Brody.
Yeah, I won't.
For real.
I'm not a child. Maybe I am. We're all children. Is this the best chocolate in the world?
That is the best chocolate in the world. Boom. Boom. Hands down. Boom. From where did we come?
From Switzerland.
Goodness me. That was a ginormous leap. So we have arrived in Oslo. We checked into the hotel and then basically came straight to the douchebag's office. If you don't know, now you know. Basically the best in the business. Thank you very much, guys. They've invited me and a bunch of the crew, basically the whole best in the business, are all here. And it was a perfect welcome to Oslo for us all. I'm very excited to be back and I'm very excited for what this week has to offer. If you guys haven't seen the picture, the demonstration of what the jump's going to look like, well, it's time to get very, very excited. And if you have, you'll know why I am so excited for this week. So let's get this party started.
Can you give me an update on what we've done at Douchebags tonight?
Had a couple Drangos.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Boom! Yes!
Hopefully an up-and-coming collab. Hashtag make that collab happen.
Mind your head on everything here. Take your head off. Boys, thank you very, 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 very much.
Yeah, you don't have to take us. We
Yeah.
take you.
Hey,
Because of you guys, we have a job.
hey, don't fall down right now. Have you seen it?
There's
The-
a snowcat at the
little
bottom.
snowcat, the wedge, the plate, ready to tear you into pieces. Drop it in! It's bumping down there. Mate, it's gonna be insane, bro. Let me at him. Sorry, we're too excited.
No problem.
I'll just ask you like the quick questions. I'll just run through them quick, but just looking into the phone when you're answering them and stuff. Yeah. Who's the funniest skier on the monster team?
Funniest skier on the monster team. Tough question. Everybody's got their attributes for different reasons, but I probably laugh at Evan McEachran the most.
Hey. What are you on about over there?
Hey, they asked me who was the funniest.
And here we are laughing
So
at
I
him.
said I probably laugh at Evan McEachran the most.
Yeah.
Come here. Next question.
So what's your favorite X Games event besides ski? I'm excited to watch the skate one.
I'm excited to watch ski as well. I reckon it's going to be real good. Yeah.
So Evan, what was the hardest trick you ever learned? Probably switch double 18. I'd say was the hardest. It's scary because you got to wrap at the start and the end, so you don't really see much at all. It's kind of just go by feel.
Mate, I said a front flip. Do you know how long it took me to do a front flip the first time? You could do that. You knew you could do that 18
No,
as soon as you
I
stepped
didn't
up.
though. Front flip was more mellow for me because I bounced on a trampoline a lot when I was a kid. Yeah.
Fair enough.
Actually, backflip maybe. In the
I was
first
there
one.
when you learned that 18.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First backflip I think might have been one of the scariest, actually, to be honest. And I caught my tips and it didn't go so well. Didn't try it again for a couple of years. What's like one skill or attribute you guys would want to take from one another?
From nothing. I can't even imagine. You've got the patience for a round of golf, don't you?
I do.
Yeah, I don't. So I'll take that. There you go.
Okay. I'll take your wittiness.
Oh, that's nice. Actually.
Yeah.
That might be. You reckon I'm witty?
It's probably the nicest
That's
thing
a
I've ever
nice-
said to you.
It is.
And it's on
I was gonna
camera.
say. Done. Sealed.
Dude, appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
That's great meeting you too, man.
Yes, you as well. Thank you very much.
And the wind's died, so if you want to say something,
Yeah.
now would be the time.
Oh, we're chatting. Now would be the time.
Yeah.
If it's time, the time to speak is now. Well, first time up the top of the jump, and it's very, very different to anything I've ever seen before. The sort of usual scaffolding City Big Air model that we've had in the past, this is very different from it. Look, I'll show you. That's the jump right there. That's what it usually looks like. And this is really tall.
Yeah.
All right, but right now, it's like this. It's about this tall, and it goes boom, right? Like that. Does that make sense?
So it's gnarlier than normal.
Well, I don't know. Like when you get to the roller coasters at the theme park, you know, you want to go on all of them. We want to try them all. I don't know what's going to be better. I don't know how this is going to feel whatsoever. There's a long flat section in the middle of it, so that's going to be different. Dropping through the roof with the changing of light, that's going to be different. We're also jumping up, and the first thing you see is the lip of the jump, which is really tall, and then there's a beam for the roof, so you're staring down the beam. That's going to be dead weird. This is exactly why I love this stuff. It's so exciting. There's always something different, and this is certainly something very, very different. So tomorrow is the day, and we get to go, and I couldn't be more pumped, and I'm not even making that up. Sometimes I get excited and I elaborate, but right now I'm not doing that.
Yeah, first time up a scaffolding jump. Pretty nuts.
You dig it?
Glad I'm not you, that's for sure.
Are you scared of heights at all?
Not really. Like, as much as any person would be, but
Yeah.
not like terrified of heights by any means, but that's a crazy jump. Point it up there, look at that.
Pointer up there. Oh my diddy. Hey Brody, you stand next to it. You're wicked tall. Yeah, that one's got a good few feet on you, bro. Straight into the ceiling.
Not this guy.
Yeah, come on.
You will not catch me.
You gotta do one follow cam this year, mate.
Okay, yeah.
Come on.
If there's one jump to follow cam, I guess this would be the most mellow one.
Oh! I thought I was so safe holding your camera. You are a wild animal. You take it. I don't. Go ahead, buy a snowball in August in Oslo. Are you going in?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go see my friend around here, so I'll see you in a minute.
Okay, we'll see you in a bit.
Yeah, peace out.
Yo, boys. What do you guys think of this rig?
I'm scared to death.
Have you gone up there yet?
No.
The apex of the jump is going to be in between the two beams. So.
Okay.
Booyah! Henrik in the building. Are you going up?
Yeah.
Booyah! Definitely the blindest drop into a big jump hill I've ever been on. It's the kind of stupid, crazy that people think we normally do. You know, but usually it's pretty calm and calculated. I mean, sort of.
Mysterious a-hole. What do you think, a-hole?
Looks dope. They can get enough snow on it in time.
Yeah, we'll have plenty of space under the beam.
It's pretty high actually. It's really
Yeah.
I don't want to slip all the way down.
This stuff's really grippy. I'm out. It's causing a ruckus.
Yeah, the whole thing just unraveled.
That's so wide a landing too?
Pretty wide, yeah.
Yeah, I thought. What? It's pulled over.
You're gonna have to take everything back up.
Alex! Can we do
Yo, boys, you need to tighten
Sorry,
up.
my friend.
That's quality content right there. Who said the athletes never do any work? Whose fault was that?
Not mine.
I was surfing down the tarp. The video is so funny. Well, because it slid a little, and then Evan and I were staying there like, oh fuck, let's try and get off before we make it worse. And I like go to jump off the part that's like sliding, and then it just goes, the whole thing. Dude, I thought I single-handedly ruined X Games. I probably should be taken out of the event after that.
They're definitely not going to let you win now, though. Your score is probably going to be
-5 deduction for that. I'm fucked.
Space enough? Shut the fuck up. Did you see that?
This is where the wild things are.
Mate, we've been watching that on the internet for ages, dude, and now we're finally here. And it actually looks very, very similar to that cartoon, which goes to show how crazy this whole thing is.
I might close my eyes, huh?
It's probably not the worst idea.
What an idiot. I want to try it though. Oh, it hurts.
I got brain freeze.
Oh no, that's not nice. Oh, I didn't mean to. I just. Ow.
Okay. I feel refreshing.
Woo! That was refreshing.
Yeah. It looks so good on your face now.
We are here, X Games Norway 2019. Alex just about single-handedly shut down the event, but we still love the kid. He brought my chocolate for me from Switzerland, so
I did do that.
yeah.
I smuggled heavily.
Thanks, bro.
20 bars.
20 bars.
I can't fucking skate. I'm gonna come watch. But
This episode is basically going to be Evan's world.
yeah,
Woodsy's just
straight up.
media lord
Woodsy's
today.
too busy. He's too cool for Woodsy's World. I'm taking over.
Burke Rude, professional skateboarder. Yeah, dog.
He's gonna do a trick on that.
What? I did not know Evan had that in him.
Dude, he's got it in him. Yeah, Ed.
Is that Burke's skateboard? Yeah. Have you had a go?
Yeah.
Can I have a go?
Yeah.
Go ahead. I mean, there's more
Oh,
people.
Burke, dude. What if he just crushed the down ledge?
Oh my goodness. So sick, man. All right.
Woodsy's skateboarding X Games debut.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Whoa! Yes. Burke. I'll it up the tiniest gap in the course. Let's go away. Before I embarrass myself any further. First day here at X Games, very, very exciting. We've seen everything taking shape like it was in the animation on Instagram for the past however many months. Very excited to come check it out, see it in real life, see the skaters, see the FMX, see what the jump is looking like. I'm very excited to get going, and for competition day Saturday is gonna be off the charts.